Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices for outdoor furniture spray paint available on the market, the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Satin Granite. The Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint is renowned for its versatility and durability. It comes in a pack of two 12-ounce cans, specifically designed to cover various surfaces, including wood, plastic, metal, and more. What sets this spray paint apart is its oil-based formula, which not only delivers a low odor application, but also provides excellent chip resistance and long-lasting protection against the elements. Applying this spray paint is a breeze. It dries to the touch in just 20 minutes and covers up to 12 square feet per can, making it efficient for both small touch-ups and larger projects. Its satin finish helps minimize surface imperfections and ensures a smooth, even coat. Whether you're refinishing outdoor furniture, rejuvenating metal fixtures, or adding a splash of color to a DIY project, the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X is up to the task. Its any-angle spray feature allows for easy application from any direction. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best outdoor furniture spray paint that combines durability, ease of application, and a beautiful satin finish, look no further than the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint. It's a reliable choice for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to achieve outstanding results. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.